this marriage will be strong.
Pinaka-excited ako is yung ma-enjoy namin yung time namin together as newlywed. Hindi ko alam talaga, para ako nananaginip. Panaginip ba to? Iba talaga kapag nasa tamang tao ka na. Mrs. Sparks.
That night po, gumimik po kami sa BGC and nakita ko po itong tall Dax. Oh, ay, hindi, tall, dark, and handsome. And sabi ko kay Sebi, sis, may gustong makipagkilala sa'yo, pero wait ka lang.
Literally, I was stunned because she is very beautiful. I was very infatuated. Her first question to me was,
"Do you speak Tagalog?" Sabi niya, "Oo naman." Ayun na yun.
We exchanged Instagram numbers, and I even took a photo with her.
You are my biggest cheerleader. My partner in crime.
Kagabi nag-iyakan kami eh.
Wala na, naiyak mo namin parehas.
Before, hindi ako naniniwala sa marriage. Hindi ako naniniwala. Feeling ko walang forever. To my knight and shining armor, thank you for everything that you do, especially for fixing my heart. Token of appreciation para sa inyong lahat na umuo kayo for me. And I love you guys.
Daddy Ray tumira ng 3 pasok kay Zayna Barake. Happy 2nd anniversary. #Carphone na ito.
Uy, kakasin ba talaga ako?
O, di ba may bulaklak ka na? Ay, hindi pa yan ka. Ito, baka na lang.
Kaki na, ako, parang... I just want to say I appreciate you.
I love you so much. There's nothing to say.
Lagi kitang pipiliin, ipaglalagay.
I make a commitment to you today.
Helper. In this case, a helper is said to be strong,
to love you with an unconditional love. I will honor, support, comfort, and protect you. I will be faithful to you. I will never leave you, Jesus Christ.
Everywhere I go, everywhere I go, you already know.
Natin sa weather, mahal ko.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.